to do is just measure what your prescription is and see if it's changed at all from last time.
Grade 8 student Brooklyn Stahl is getting her eyes examined.
There'll be a big letter E on the wall.
Annual eye exams caught her nearsightedness at an early age, which has helped her in many areas of her school life.
Well, if I didn't have my eyeglasses and I went to school, I'd probably have to sit really close to the board and really close to the front and probably away from my friends. And it'd be harder to communicate with other people because they'd be farther back than I would be.
Could you please look up towards the ceiling, Brooklyn? I'm gonna pull your lid down.
According to a recent study, 22% of Alberta parents don't make annual eye exams a top priority. But this simple task can make a big difference.
We know that up to 80% of learning is vision related. So if children aren't seeing the board properly, if they're not seeing the pages in front of them properly, they're not going to be able to learn to their full potential. And most of these symptoms, or most of these conditions rather, don't have any symptoms or easy to detect symptoms. So often parents aren't aware that children are having a problem.
Dr. Brady says that there are some signs you can look for that can indicate vision problems.
Sitting close to the TV, holding reading material really, really closely, squinting or rubbing the eyes after doing a lot of visually demanding work.
But you don't need to wait until signs show up. Annual checkups are important even if you don't think your child needs them.
We recommend that children have their first eye exam at about age 6 to 9 months, again between the ages of 2 and 5, and then annually once they start school.
And these annual checkups help kids like Brooklyn to stay on top of her vision needs.
We always make sure we're a year. We get the eye exams because I don't want anything holding her back in school, and just making sure that she can see and that's not something that's stopping her from learning. You can try these ones on, please. Like, honestly. Definitely go get your kids' eye exams. I didn't think for 1 second that she was gonna need them at all. I was shocked. So it's definitely go, you never know. Even if you think they don't, they just might.
I get like a chance to be just like all the other kids in my class that don't wear glasses. And I think it's kind of fair that I get to wear glasses so I can see better.
For Shaw TV, I'm Jen McDonald.
Example, start to-do list, feel good about self.
That's a good one.